What's going on, everyone? We last discussed the most recent speculations regarding the DJI Air 4 quite some time ago. We have some really exciting news to share today with those of you who have been looking forward to the next development in the Air series. Over the past few weeks, there have been indications that the Air 4 is imminent, but we were awaiting the final piece of proof to turn this from online rumors into a reality. We officially have that proof as of May 11th, 2026. The DJI Air 4 is real and is expected to arrive on or before Q4 of 2026, according to early paperwork and a registry sighting made public by Quadron News, one of the most reliable and seasoned sources in the business. The biggest bombshell dropped when the Air 4 was spotted inside a Chinese flight filling app. For those who don't know, this is part of the Civil Aviation Administration of China's OUM platform, which is mandatory for drone flight reporting and compliance. Seeing the Air 4 name already integrated into the drop-down menu of production-grade software is a massive deal. It means DJI's development is advanced enough for regulatory systems to recognize the model by name. But here's the part that has everyone talking. Early chatter around this leak suggests the DJI Air 4 could actually be sub-250G. If that turns out to be true, it would be a total game changer for the lineup. A sub-250G Air Series drone would effectively dodge the strict registration rules in many countries, making it the ultimate travel-friendly powerhouse that sits perfectly between the Mini and the flagship Mavic lines, exactly like we predicted in our earlier 2026 roundup. Now, we also have to look back at the design clues we've seen so far. Back in early 2025, we got a sneak peek at a crashed prototype image shared by Jasper Ellens. That leak gave us a lot to think about. The drone featured noticeably thicker arms compared to the current Air 3s and a top sensor array that looks a lot like what we expect from the upcoming Mavic 4. We're talking about 3 top-mounted obstacle avoidance sensors plus an LED beacon. Overall, the design looks much more premium and aerodynamic. While we are still waiting for a clean official studio shot, it's a strong possibility that commercial units are already in the hands of beta testers as we speak. In terms of specifications, while DJI is keeping their mouth shut officially, the rumors and leaks are painting a very impressive picture. The camera system is the headline here. There is strong speculation about dual 1-inch sensors. This would be a massive upgrade over the Air 3s, providing much better low-light performance and dynamic range. For travel photographers and videographers, having that dual camera switching capability with a 1-inch sensor on both ends would be incredible. We're also expecting improved omnidirectional sensing, thanks to that new top-mounted array, and of course, better battery life and efficiency. On the transmission side, it'll likely stick with the reliable O4 system, as we haven't seen any concrete proof of OSync 5 for this specific model yet. Based on DJI's usual 2 to 3 year release cycle, where we saw the Air 2 in 2020, the Air 3 in 2023, and the Air 3S in 2024, most insiders are now pointing to a release window between September and November 2026. However, it's important to remember that we haven't seen the official FCC filings yet, so that timeline could still shift slightly as we get closer to the end of the year. We have to address the elephant in the room: the ongoing DJI ban situation. As of right now, the DJI Air 4 is not on the FCC-approved list. The current regulatory environment means newer unfiled drones might face some hurdles reaching US shelves. There was a small software reprieve recently with the FCC extending waivers for updates on existing drones until 2029, but new hardware authorizations are still a separate, more complicated battle. We are keeping a very close eye on this and will update you the moment anything changes. Let's hope DJI finds a solution so US consumers don't have to pay inflated prices for native tech that often lacks the same level of innovation. This Chinese app leak is the strongest signal yet that the Air 4 is coming, and it could easily be one of the most exciting drones of 2026. Imagine having dual 1-inch sensors and a body that might not even require registration. That would be a massive win for creators who want pro-level image quality without the wait. We'll be tracking every new leak, photo, and official teaser as they happen. So what do you think? Are you holding out for the DJI Air 4, or are you grabbing an Air 3S right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned, everyone. The 2026 drone season is just getting started.